Hey everybody, Brett here at Pure Pursuit, getting ready to do the test drive video for this 2013 Audi S5 that we just got in stock. Go ahead and get going. Backup camera shows a clear view of what's going on behind us with the prediction index on the screen as well. We're actually pretty big fans of the Audi 5, so I was glad to get this car in particular. Super good steering. As you know, it's all-wheel drive, so it handles amazing in all weather conditions. Right now I've got it in comfort mode, so as you would expect, it's just like a daily driver. No crazy stiff suspension or aggressive steering or brakes that are insane. Pretty straightforward. This one, it has a little bit louder tone because the exhaust has been modified a little bit, but it's not overly aggressive. And let's see, as I come up here, we'll switch it over to the sport mode. We'll switch it over to dynamic control and get it in manual so I can use the paddles. We'll come around here. And almost missed that bird. Pretty quick car, 333 horsepower. Small car like this is as much as you really need. We'll pop it back there and switch back in comfort mode for daily driving. And we're back here to Pure Pursuit. So if you guys have any interest in this car or any of the other cars that we have, feel free to give us a call at 816-659-3027 or send us an email at hello@purepursuitauto.com.